bitterness there. Oh, how can I stand it, watching them fall apart?
I can be a light that shines in the dark, a helper to those in times of need. Yeah. I can stand to be the Jesus to those who needed to feel His arms, setting their hopes to the sky.
It's so good being a part of their life. Life is hard, we get to choose to live. It's just to love others more than yourself, although it may seem hard. But all you can do is
You can be a light that shines in the dark, a helper to those in times of need.
yeah.
You can stand to be that Jesus to those who needed to feel His arms, setting their hopes to the sky. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We can be a light that shines in the dark, a helper to those in times of need. We can stand to be that Jesus to those who needed to feel His arms, setting their hopes to the sky. Setting their hopes to the sky. Setting their hopes to the sky.